Hello friends, my name is Anton and it's an English lesson. Today I'll share with you a few underrated natural places to visit in our country. We'll also study some words to describe them. So, what is underrated? It means that something is actually better than people think or say about it. In our case, it's a place which is perhaps not so popular but definitely deserves the attention of a traveler. I've picked 3 different types of places for each taste. First, let's together match the pictures with the types of places we are going to talk about. Which image shows a wild beach, a canyon, a mountain range? So, a wild beach is picture 3. A canyon is picture 1. A mountain range is picture 2. To describe these places, we need to study a few words. You've already heard underrated and to deserve attention. When describing a canyon or a beach, we can say that it stretches along some area or city. A canyon can have cliffs. When we hike in the mountains, we walk along trails. Trails can be flat or steep. We have popular trails where everybody goes or offbeat trails, not so popular or without many tourists. In any natural place, we are in the open, which means outside. We can see the landscapes, large areas of countryside or land. When the landscape is really impressive, we say that it's breathtaking view, very beautiful. When talking about a specific place, we can also say a destination. If there are too many people or tourists in this destination, it is overcrowded. And the opposite, if the place hasn't changed for a long time and doesn't have a lot of visitors, it's unspoiled. Here is a task for you with this vocabulary. Pause the video, read the sentences and choose one of 2 options. Write down your answers. Let's check them together. 1. I hate Kyiv subway. There are too many people there during peak hours and the trains are overcrowded. 2. For a long time, Lviv has been the most popular destination in our country. 3. Walking up steep trails seems easy at first, but you can get exhausted very quickly. 4. Camping is a great option to be in the open with some level of comfort. 5. When we reached the top of the mountain, we saw a breathtaking view from it. 6. A thick forest was stretching along the road. Now I can share my top 3 underrated destinations in our country with the help of the words above. Pause the video and read the information about them. Which of these places have you heard of or maybe even visited? Dniester Canyon. Dniester Canyon is stretching along 4 regions of western Ukraine: Bukovina, Ivano-Frankivsk, Ternopil, and Khmelnytsky region. It is called one of the 7 natural wonders of Ukraine. The Dniester Canyon impresses not only with its size, but also with breathtaking views of landscapes, rocky cliffs, rich forests, waterfalls, and small islands within it. The most famous is a panorama of Zalishchiki village, which really looks like an island surrounded by a river. Come to Dniester Canyon if you enjoy being in the open, fishing, or simply watching nature. Marmarosse. Marmarosse is a small mountain range in eastern Carpathians. Its bigger part is situated in Romania. It is often compared with the Alps and is sometimes called by travelers Hutsul Alps. Really, this range doesn't look like other Ukrainian ranges. Its peaks are sharp, cliffy, without forests. The trails are very steep.
But this is why hikers love them. They are unconventional and a bit harder to reach since they are located near the border with Romania.
Visit Marmarosse if you are looking for breathtaking views and offbeat trails. Sanjika. Odessa is without a doubt an overcrowded destination. But if you travel 35 kilometers to the southwest, you will find a quiet village with an incredibly long, wild beach. Moreover, above the beach, there are huge cliffs, which together create an amazing view. You won't find sunbeds, shops, or cafes there because the infrastructure is not developed. But what you'll find is a clean sea, unspoiled seaside, and beautiful sunsets. The best way to live in this place is camping to really enjoy the wild rest. To my mind, it is really underrated seaside spot in Ukraine. Lovely destinations. Let's check how well you got the information. There are 6 sentences on the screen about these places, but there are mistakes. Pause the video and read them, then go back to the texts and correct the mistake in each idea. Have you found the correct information? 1. Dniester Canyon is situated in Khmelnytsky region. No, it is stretching along 4 regions of western Ukraine. 2. You can see only the cliffs and the river in Dniester Canyon. Of course no, you can see landscapes, rocky cliffs, rich forests, waterfalls and small islands. 3. The range of Marmarosse is located in Ukraine only. It's not true because its bigger part is situated in Romania. 4. Marmarosse is like any other mountain range in Ukraine. No, this range doesn't look like other Ukrainian ranges. Its peaks are sharp, cliffy, and without forests. 5. Sanjika is an overcrowded destination near Odessa. No, Sanjika is a quiet village. Well done! So, would you like to visit any of these places? Why? Let's recap. We have discussed some natural places to visit in our country as well as practiced vocabulary to describe them. See you guys!